Hi there. So it's been a little longer than 24 hours, but I'm back for Egg Lab Day 4 to recapitulate so that you know what you're supposed to be doing and make sure that you have all the right information from these videos of the last few days. Your Egg Lab Google Doc looks like this. And the first day you were supposed to predict what would happen to the eggs, size and mass after soaking in vinegar for 24 hours. And corn syrup after that for 24 hours, and tap water after that for 24 hours. Also supposed to type in the dates for day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. And type in the information from the videos, the mass of the egg, the long circumference, and the short circumference. In this video, I'm going to finish it up from day 4 and do the measurements again. Our egg has been soaking in water now for the last little more than 24 hours. And I'm going to take it out of the water and I'm going to measure its mass again and measure its long circumference and its short circumference. Be right back. Okay, so we have the egg out of the distilled water, tap water, and it's decidedly different again from day 3. This time it's definitely bigger, still squishy, of course, but not as like flat or almost deflated looking. So I'm going to do its mass with my scale. And I can see that the mass of the egg is now up to 82.8 grams. 82.8 grams. Okay, so now I'm going to do the long and the short circumference with the tape measure again like before. Obviously, the egg got bigger too. So not only mass, but size, which I would have expected it to do. So our long circumference, and I'll hold this up so you can see, appears to be 17.2. Our short circumference appears to be, 16.1. 17.2 and 16.1. So now you have all the information necessary for you to finish the Egg Lab. Good luck. Email me if you have any questions.